Hi guys, you know how much I love when you come with me on my days in the life. So come along, we're heading to Azan's. Here they were having like all the Christmas festivities, but I literally went to go shop for toys for the boys. I wasn't feeling so well, so I stopped by to get some soup and patty from Mother's. Like, this is the mega patty, I think that's what they call it. Next I headed to the fabric store because I was working on a piece for a customer of mine, and I just had to go and top up on certain things. This is me looking basic, I guess. Girl look popped down, but not for long. So I did head over and check out some curtains too because it was Christmas time, and I was like, why not? Next we were going shoe shopping because why not? These shoes were so cute, I had to pick one up for myself, and Bay, of course, can't leave him out. And there's my sister and nephew, they came along to do some shopping as well. Watch him look a face, just watch him. Boss ready to buy shoes. Like, he was not having all of this, right? Him just want him shoes.